Alrighty, my 1998 Ford Ranger, otherwise known as the learning vehicle. Four-wheel drive manual shift transmission with the 3.0 liter V6 engine. Approximately 171,000 miles on it. So what we got going on today is right here, you might notice there's a crack. And I am doing an exhaust hanger welding repair job. It's separated from here to here. I had some hanger wire hanging it up, so I'm just going to do a welding job. And I also, so that's what I'm going to do. So you can call this day one, part one. I'm using a titanium Easy Flux 125. Right now the welding, I have it set on voltage G and wire speed about a 7. And I took that straight from the cover for recommended settings. So here we go. See what we got here, and we'll adjust fire. Okay. Might have to get my ground clamp a little bit closer. See what we got here. No fire. Okay. See what's going on. I'll just connect it straight to the exhaust here. Let me just try it this way. See if I need a spark. There you go. Hang it off. I'll just hold the tip and go for it. Okay. All that drama. So I was going down at a vertical weld down. I'm gonna brush some of this slag off here. So I was tooting along driving the other day in the Ranger, and I noticed that I heard some clanging, and I said, man, what's that sound? Sure enough, I saw this hanger broke. I also have another hanger broken in the front, which an actual hole, I think you call it the intermediate pipe. I'm going to attempt to weld that one up as well with the hole, because this hanger had broken a section in the hole of the pipe, a little square. I do have some metal that I can fold and bend in there. It's 3/16 of an inch, and we'll go from there. So anyway, I just want to clean some of that slag off. I'm not sure if this welding will actually hold, but I have the settings, like I said, on shoot nuclear setting. I'm just going to do a couple of passes on this thing. Oops. Let me put the clamp on that and see if it... Put some wire. It's awesome. I enjoy this welding. Excellent. Oh, it's coming right underneath it. Okay. See what we got there. Here. I've come to find using this flux core, you just take a minute or two and clean off the waste product, flux, so you get a little bit better clean surface. I mean, a better weld, I should say. And for a guy like me, I need all the help I can get. Clean surface. So for all intents and purposes, I believe I am done. I haven't touched a pipe and didn't blow through this pipe. I measured the pipe itself. It's 3/16 of an inch in thickness. And ironically, the metal that I've been using for all these repairs on this truck is 3/16 of an inch. I know this is galvanized thin wall pipe, but for patch jobs, that's what I was prepared to use if necessary. Anyway, I think that's what we got there, guys and gals out there. I'm just gonna pick this backside here. Let's see what you get. And why am I going through all the trouble of doing this? Because again, taking it to a proper exhaust stroke. I don't know if they would even mess with this. They probably wouldn't. They would just put new hangers on. Whatever their labor is, it's $100 an hour, I don't know. It's what, taking me 15 minutes of fuddling around and doing it yourself, right? That's what it's all about here, is doing it yourself and learning. I mean, I'm after all, I'm just welding up metal to metal. I believe this would be, I'm not building like a, you know, a rocket ship or something. Yeah. Alright, I got that backside. So let's take a look. I'll show you it. A little bit of wire sticking there. Clean that nice and pretty for you. I do actually have a grinder. I could actually be using that. I got a grinder for flat piece here. Cut this up. Piece of offending wire. There we go. Oh. What, 20 minutes at this? Still working? That's great. I currently don't have any editing capability for a 5-minute job. But for all intents and purposes, the purpose of this video is, we'll take the wire down. You can do it yourself. Well, I'll show you what it looks like here. Up close and personal. So, when I paid to have this monstrosity put on here 2 years ago, this is what they did 2 years ago. Had I known that, I would have done it all myself, probably. Hung this exhaust. But, I didn't know. And heck, I don't even think I had a welder. I didn't even have a welder 2 years ago. So there it is. Looks like some porosity right about there, right? On that side. So I could weld that in. It's probably close. But for all intents and purposes, there it is. And I'll put you back up here. So I am done, guys and gals. There. I'm just gonna take this hanger wire off and repurpose it for something later. Well, thanks for if you got anything out of this, great. But I just want to show, if I can do it, you can do it better. And that's what I mean by having yourselves an Ablecraft day, meaning you can do this, you are able to do this. And that's what that expression means. One body asks, what does Ablecraft day mean? Well, that means you are able of having a craft day. Take your ableness, turn it into a craft, and hence Ablecraft. And you can apply that to everything. Alrighty. Get this out here. Alright. I think she'll stay. Other than, we'll find out after I go over some of these back roads I drive on. If it breaks again, then I'll come up with another solution. If you're still out there. Alrighty. Well, y'all take care now.